So, Redmi 15C versus Samsung Galaxy A06, two popular entry-level phones. But when you put them head to head, which one is actually more worth it? Starting with the dimensions. In terms of size, they're pretty similar, but overall, the Redmi 15C comes out slightly ahead. On the screen side, Redmi 15C takes the clear win here. From size, resolution to extras like screen protection, refresh rate and even IP rating, it covers it all. On the software side, the 15C has a slight edge. It runs a newer OS, although the UI on both is kept simple. The newer chipset is a difference here. Redmi 15C is powered by a more recent chip, even though real-world performance isn't too far apart between the two. Redmi wins in ROM, Samsung takes the lead in RAM. Both support memory expansion, so it's a flexible setup overall. This one's a draw. Samsung A06 brings a slight advantage in the main camera. It supports video recording, something the Redmi 15C doesn't offer here. Front camera, it's even. Both phones score equally on photo and video. Nothing to argue about here. Redmi 15C pulls ahead in the battery department. Bigger capacity and faster charging. The A06 falls behind clearly. Bluetooth, USB, network, audio jack, both got it. But the 15C adds NFC in a more updated Bluetooth version. Price? Both get a point here, meaning they compete in the same budget segment. Final score? Redmi 15C takes a strong lead, 9 points to 4. Still, it depends on your priorities. If rear camera, video and brand recognition matter to you, the Samsung A06 might be worth a look. But if you're looking for a more complete package, better display, bigger battery, solid performance, the Redmi 15C clearly wins. That's it. The choice is yours. Like if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more tech content. Catch you on the next one.